Hey guys, what's up? And happy Friday! So, are you ready for the weekend? Before you go somewhere, guys, I suggest go to CVS tomorrow, run if you haven't been to CVS yet, because we have some awesome unmarked clearance items that it's just gonna come out as cheap or free. So, I want you to take advantage of it, and I'm so excited to share this with you because I went to CVS today and I found a lot of clearance items. We have most of these are shampoos and conditioners. So, let me share this with you. Let's go over and see what I got today. So this is what I got, guys. All of these Pantene shampoo and conditioner are on clearance. So the Pantene foam conditioner is on clearance for $1.69, and then the other Pantene, the regular Pantene shampoo and conditioner, which is the Hydra Scalp Care, it is on sale for $3.69. So here's the breakdown. I got 5 Pantene foam conditioner for $1.69 each, and 2 Pantene Hydra Scalp shampoo and conditioner for $3.49 each. So that's a total before coupons of $15.43. And these are the coupons that I used. I used the $5 Pantene Send to App coupon, and then I also used the $1 off any Pantene hair care from our December P&G. And then I also used 2 of the $2 Peely for the foam conditioner. And then I used my 3 of 12 shampoo CRT. And I also used my $2 off any Pantene hair care. So after coupons, I only paid 43 cents for everything. So the final price is 43 cents or 6 cents each. But keep in mind that the prices may vary, and not all stores have different or have the same clearance items. So before you go to your cashier, you better check the product and scan the product first to make sure that those are on clearance items. By the way, the photos are not mine. Thank you so much for those who shared in Instagram. I just want to show this with you guys because I want to give you the actual picture of those products that are on clearance, so you don't have to go back and forth to the red machine if just in case you want to go to CVS tomorrow. So you know what to pick, and you know what products are on clearance. And I also picked up the Cvs Panty Liner. I got 2 because this is buy one get the other one 50% off, and this is regularly priced at $1.19, and then the other one is half off. So I used my $1.50 Panty Liner CRT. So after the CRT, this only came out as 28 cents. And I also picked up 2 Irish Spring bar soap. So I guess you know this deal already, that if you'll buy 2, you will get a $2 extra bucks back. So if you have any body wash, or body bar soap CRT, use that to make this really cheap. I also got the 2 Covergirl Mascara that is regularly priced at $7.49 at my store. And then I used my 3 of 15 Covergirl CRT. And I also used my 2 of 12 Cosmetic CRT. And then I also used my 250 Peely that I got from the store. So after all the coupons, I only paid $4.98, but then got back $6 extra bucks back. So this came out as free plus $1.02 moneymaker. And then lastly, I got the Kellogg's Cornflakes, and it is on sale for $1.99, and we have a 75-cent coupon 75-cent rebate from IBOTTA, plus you can do this 5 times. And I also submitted a 25% 25-cent receipt. So I got a total of $1 back from IBOTTA. So after IBOTTA rebate, this only came out as 99 cents. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Coupon Hacks. I really appreciate it. This is my awesome CVS haul for today. I just want to share this with you guys because I want you to take advantage of this clearance event at CVS, and they're happening now. There's a lot of items there, so you might want to check your store because most of these are unmarked items. So thank you, and See you again in my next video and have a wonderful weekend. Bye!